Hey mathematicians, last lesson and in the warm-up you just did, we took some already constructed rectangles and we labeled the side lengths, the dimensions, so that we could write that as a product and go between the two, product to sum. Right? Now we're going to practice going the other way. We're going to start with these side lengths, that product, those dimensions, and we're going to sketch out sort of like an outline and fill in this puzzle. So I have x plus 1 times x plus 2, and I'm going to need my algebra tiles here. Okay, and I'm just going to start by making a sketch, and I might get the lengths a little wrong. It's okay. So I'm going to start with x down here. I have an x and 1. Okay, and I'm going to stick to my putting all of the x's in the lower left corner. So I'm building it from the lower left corner. So I've taken care of x plus 1. And failing at that straight line there. It's just a guide though. X plus 2. I'm just thinking, oh, yep, I need side length of 1 plus 1 is 2. And now I've got my guide, my rough guide. I'm visualizing it and thinking, all right, I need a tile that's x by x, x times x. You can see my guide failed a little bit, right? But it fits in there. Okay. I need a tile with one side length of 1 and the other side of x. Looks like that fits in there. And I need the same thing up here. Notice how I started in the bottom left with all of my x dimensions. And then I moved on to the tiles that are sitting next to that x tile. Those x tiles. And then I've got to fill this up. And the whole reason we're doing that is now we can say, hey, x plus 1 times x plus 2 equals x squared plus 3x, get rid of those, plus 2. Right. So we went from the sum where we could see it and count up and then do the side lengths to now we're flipping it around. We get the dimensions, that product. We sketch it out. It's okay if it's a rough sketch. We build the rectangle and then we can read the area as a sum.